Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is the Ringwraith of Mordor. It is the classic series. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. So here is the art box for this statue here. And this is really nice art box. I really like it. That's the side and the back. The other side, and back to the front. As you can see, this is the classic series, Ringwraith from Mordor, 1/6 scale statue. Let's open her up. This looks fantastic. This statue is unreal. It is very cool. Just put this aside really quick here. And I'll show you the bottom here of the base. Very cool. And it is sculpted by Bridget Woost. I hope it's, or Woost. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. And that's the bottom of the base. Very carefully. And then the hand with the Ringwraith sword. Very strong magnet. That's crazy strong. Which is good. I really like magnets. So, as you can see here, very cool. Absolutely love this statue. Love it. I love the weathering right on the bottom. I'll show you some close-ups of that. It's a phenomenal statue. Weta, this is one of my, again, this is one of my favorites. And I've got the mini Ringwraith, and now I got the 1/6 scale now, and I'm super happy that I got this one. So yeah, I am just in awe of this statue. I know it's just so simple, but I just love the statue. Now let's show you some close-ups. So yeah, let's show you some close-ups. So cool. Look at this sword. Look at all the detail on this. As if he's gone over his travels, his weathered like crazy. And love his hands, the gauntlets of his hands and stuff. And just wait till you see these robes. Oh, that is so cool, you guys. So awesome. Love this classic series statue of the Ringwraith of Mordor. And the texture is spot on, like so much detail in his robe there. You could feel the texture in his robes and stuff. Like look how weathered and ratted up, like beaten up over the travels that he's gone through. The 9. Such a cool statue. I'm so happy I got this one. So happy. And the tip, you can just look at the detail in his sword. Like so bloody cool. You can see the detail in his gauntlets and his hands. This is, oh, and then you can see his feet. And I believe this is where, at the top of Weathertop, they're after the hobbits, Merry, Pippin, and Frodo and Sam. Because you can see the ground here that he's walking on. So like concrete, so I believe that's at the top of Weathertop. Very, very cool statue. All the detail of all the like robe that is ripped up from his travels too. That's a really nice touch. I really like that. That's so, so cool. Look at his hands. So rad. And then you can see on the hilt of his sword. That's bloody cool. Yeah, no, I really like this. Weta, you guys really outdone yourself with this one too. Now I'll show you guys where I'm going to be putting this. Thing is, this is the side where his sword is, and you can see my door. So I hate to put it right behind the door where it could get smashed. So what I'm going to be doing, hopefully, what I'm going to do, so you can see here, first, I have my mini Ringwraith. So I got that larger one. I really like that. But what I'm going to be doing, so I got another piece that's going to be coming, the premium format Witch King of Angmar, and that's going to go here. And then hopefully I can get a stand that can fit both of them. Then I'm going to put probably the Witch King of Angmar on the right and the Ringwraith on the left hand side. Yeah, I hope it can fit because there's this ledge here from all the stuff here. So I hope it fits. And I'm gonna move this bench over here or take it right out. We'll see where I'm gonna be putting it. Or I'm gonna put this over here or move it and put my stand here and then have my Witch King of Angmar, and hopefully I can put my Ringwraith here. I hope it works. So let me know what you guys think, or if I get rid of this bench, I could put the Ringwraith in the middle or put it up top. I don't know if there's enough room because it's a way bigger stand. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit. So, because it won't fit behind that door. No way, because like I don't want that door swinging wide open and door hitting it and smashing it and breaking it. And then, yeah, I think it's going to be going over here most likely. So, yeah, that's my plan where I want to be putting it. And then above here, I'm going to get the scimitar, where the sword of the Urukai. And then I have a print. And I'm going to be putting the print of the Nazgul on the fell beast up here. So I'll show you guys in another video about that. So, yeah, that's my plan for putting my Witch King of Angmar and the Ringwraith. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of the Ringwraith. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you guys in the next video. And stay tuned because I got lots more coming up.